8 o'clock here in beautiful southern Orlando, Florida. We're at Josam's. Front end and alignment. They do the big trucks, not Rocky, the big truck. So, wish us luck.
We're here today at Josam Frame and Alignment. See if we can get some updates on our front end on Bullwinkle. We have 4 bays at Josam's, but it's kind of like being at the doctor's office. We have a 7 a.m. appointment, but we are waiting. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. There she goes, hopefully getting ready to go into a bay. And there she goes.
Before they do their state-of-the-art alignment, they use hydraulic play detectors to check for parts wear before any work is done.
So they got RVs in here, dump trucks in here, tow trucks, gas trucks, you name it. They work on it. I don't think they'll work on Rocky though.
You look like you're in a tropical beach somewhere.
I am. It's in a beautiful, it's nice, warm, and cozy. Come join us.
I might do that.
Sitting out on the beach, relaxing, having a good day. I ordered a margarita, should be here in a minute.
While we're here, might as well have the bearings repacked.
As far as the gearbox and the shocks and the airbags,
Right.
really need to get with Barry with that stuff.
Yeah, we got that all figured out.
Okay.
So you were towed in a little bit too much, so, I mean, actually towed out. So that might have been why you were wanting. You were at 0, you were at 0.0, you had no tow. So basically that would have made it probably go left and right, constantly have to steer it.
That's what I've been doing.
A lot of people don't know that fifth wheels need to have alignments.
Absolutely. I actually just found this out myself by going on the DRV website.
Oh, it's a nice, bright, sunny day out here. So I took the refrigerator off of propane, put it on DC, and I'll show you the numbers from the red arm. Very impressive. Living off of sunshine. So this is what it looks like with the fridge at 3. Though it's starting to get a little warm, so again, I did turn the fan on. But what the heck, it's 83 in here. Although nice and breezy and cool. You guys kind of slow today.
For a safer and better ride, we had a Safety Plus installed. We had one of these on the last coach, and it really made a big difference. Go out to the truck camper and pull around.
Okay.
Yeah, what about the Safety Plus?
It's on there, but they got to adjust it yet whenever they get it down. So they're going to have to road test it, make sure it's straight.
Okay.
I mean, they've already did the alignment on it.
Yeah. And nothing complements the Safety Plus better than a new set of Koni Shocks. This morning, we're going to get us some shocks. 8 of them. So the tires off, new shocks going in. I like how they lay the tires that take off on the old tires so nothing gets scuffed on the RV. These guys are total professionals.
Brand new Koni Shocks in the box.
And there they are on the driver's side, underneath the coach. Now all we got to do is get the airbags replaced and we'll be on the road. Well, I haven't made a lot of progress here. But they did say it would take all day. Well, front tires are on and back tires are off. So that's the old steering box.
Well, the new one's on. I'm just waiting on the.
There you go. There he is, putting on the last of the shop. So, for tonight, we have a choice. We can stay at the site we're at, or we can come back here. Well, rumor has it, they've got a little power for us. We're tucked nicely in between Holiday Rambler Ambassador and a truck that's maybe seen a little better days. But I'm sure if anybody can fix it, these guys can. This was the other spot offered to us. They also have a 15 amp power here, but you can probably hear the noise from the adjacent building. Here's our backyard while we're mooch docking here at Josam. We got a trash can, several brooms, electricity, you can see the orange cable across the ground, and air if we need it. I mean, come on. And this is our lot docking site for the evening. It's actually very nice out here. Nice cool breeze, much quieter than it was out on the road. And I think we'll do just fine here. One of my little upgrades to Rocky is I put the generator back here, just temporarily, not while I'm using it. And I got a cover for it so it'll stay high and dry. And it won't say Honda right on the front of it. So maybe it'll stay there for a little bit. Mary's made her a little laptop desk out of our tiny step that we use to unlock and lock the roof in. So pretty ingenious of her, if you ask me.
We're sitting outside Rocky. We are lot docking, which is really cool because not every shop allows you to do that. Is it the prettiest site? No. Do we have electric? Yes. So we're quite content.
This is my favorite mod. Keeps all our utensils in place, and they're easy to access and easy to put away after you wash the dishes.
We don't have a silverware drawer, so there it is.
We're going to keep it simple tonight since we are lot docking. What we're going to make tonight is just a simple chicken salad. And what we're going to start off with is just a can of chicken breast, white premium, chunky chicken. And we're going to pour that in a bowl. Now I already pre-drained this. And we're just going to shred it a little bit. And you can do that easily with a fork. Okay, we're going to cut up some grapes. I already rinsed these grapes off. Now Fred's gonna fuss that I'm not using his beautiful cutting board that we put in here, but it's so pretty. And I'm used to this tiny one. We're gonna throw those grapes right into the chicken. No, but I love grapes. Something about the chicken just really brings out the flavor. Whoop, runaway grape. Whoop. Ran right into my mouth. So let's put those grapes in with the chicken. Stir it up a little bit. And a little more of that chicken shredded. I'll sprinkle in some almonds. Mix that together a little bit. And we'll put a little mayonnaise in there. Telling you what, those grapes keep getting away. Right, I did shred some lettuce, and then we're gonna top the lettuce with this chicken salad. And there you have it. Quick and simple, but very filling. And that'll keep us sustained until the morning.
Well, good morning from Josam's parking lot. Well, it's raining out, folks. So I think I'm just going to go back to bed, cozy up, Parts not supposed to be here till about 10 o'clock anyway.
Okay, no Pitman arm yet, about 10 o'clock. So they're saying 10 to 11:30. There's our UPS truck. Let's go see if we got any presents. Power steering fluid.
Guy gets done with that dump truck,
Right.
he's gonna come get it, you're gonna take it for a drive and set your steering wheel and all that stuff.
You're the man, Keith.
Right.
All right, thank you, sir. Hey, have a good weekend. Going out for a test drive. So let's see if the bay stays empty.
All right, it's time for the Josam Cellular Service Report. Well, right off the bat is T-Mobile at 71.6 download speed with a 34.6 upload speed. Very impressive. AT&T takes second place at 29.2 down and 16.2 up. Very respectable numbers also. And still there is Verizon at 27.7 down and 4.32 up. All of these are great speeds, and you won't have any trouble finding any internet at Josam's while you're waiting to get some work done on your bus, your trailer, or your fifth wheel. They do a great job. We had a good time, spent a little bit of money, but I think it's going to be well worth it down the road. So we'll talk to you next time.